Hey guys, it's Lomi. Today I'm here with my first YouTube video. So today you guys, I'm going to be doing how to do a slick back tutorial with 2 buns. So this video is going to be a really easy video, I think. So what you're going to need is some of these products. I'm going to be using Camelo Rose, if I'm saying that right, Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm also going to be using Thank God It's Natural, or TGIN, Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. And I also have a picture on the screen right here. You guys can see of all the products and things I'm going to be using. I'm going to be just using a spray bottle with water. That's all you pretty much need. You can put any like hair growth things in here or anything you need to go in here. Yes, that works perfectly fine. I'm going to be using a slick brush to help me slick my hair back. So I lost my rat tail comb, but I know you can use rat tail comb, but you can also part your hair with a bobby pin, which is what I'm going to be using for this video. And hair ties. I just bought these from Walmart for maybe $2 or so. Some hair ties. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, so right here I was just taking out my bun, about to just get ready to detangle my hair. You can use a detangler brush, but I use my sleek brush just because my detangler brush, it hurts and I just didn't like the way it felt on my head. So right here I'm just detangling it and brushing out all the curls that were in my hair. So right here, this is basically where I started parting my hair with a bobby pin. Like I said, I lost my rat tail comb, so I just parted straight down the middle, like wiggling back. Then I parted my hair in half, and I put one up so I could moisturize and see the other side. I know the part's a little bit crooked on the back, but I was doing it with a bobby pin, so it was kind of hard, but I still got it done. Okay. You can use a rat tail comb. I recommend a rat tail comb. So yeah. Then I just started spraying the side, and I just sprayed it with some water. Then I got my Tahine leave-in conditioner, and I just started to rub it in my hair and all that, just to get it moisturized so it can slick better and get the curls in my puff standing out. So that's what I did there. So this is where I started to brush my hair, slicking it back. I was just kept brushing it, and just trying to get it as slick as possible. And I'm not looking at you guys because I'm looking at the mirror that's in front of me, just in case you guys didn't know. And then I added my Cameli Ray, I think that's how you say it, hair milk into my hair. And I just started massaging it to my scalp and getting it to slick it. I used that basically to slick my hair with. So this is where I put my hair tie in my hair, and I got it slick as possible. So I got my hair tie in, and I just started slicking it a little bit extra just to get it kind of perfect. Then I just brushed out the edge of my hair, and yeah, just to get the hair kind of curly. And I basically did the exact same thing to the other side. So yeah. So right here, this is basically where I put the bun in. I just started to wrap it around my scrunchie and a tiny bun. Then I add a bobby pin into the buns so it wouldn't come out if I shook my head or anything like that. And that's one bun, and I just slicked it a little bit better putting it a little bit on my forehead because it kind of like curled up a little bit. But my hair is curly, so that's kind of what happens sometimes. So I did the exact same thing to the other side of my head, and I slicked it. And make sure you brush out the end so your bun doesn't like get kind of like hard to detangle at the end. Then I just add another bobby pin to my hair. Then I just like slicked it on both sides and like kind of got them like perfect pretty much. Then I just like use my hands to try to get the product down, and yeah.
I just want to show you guys the one edge I do like to do. I just take this little piece down here and stick it like that, like a little curl on it, long. Just pull it back, like cover up that part of your hair. So
That's it. That's the end of the video, you guys. You guys can add on hair clips, butterfly clips to your buns. Do not mind this right here. It's like curly or whatever. Okay, but that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. I really would like that. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit up my socials. I have TikTok and Dubsmash. They will all be linked in the bio. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that post notification bell. Lomi Squad, we out.